Love consultant present. 6 signs a woman has another man in her life. Infidelity is a complex behavior that is influenced by individual choices, circumstances, and relationship dynamics. While it is a behavior often associated with men, the reality is that women can also be unfaithful. Such behavior can be fostered from many relationship factors and varies from person to person. Understanding the factors behind unfaithfulness is important. Also, if you want to avoid the possibility of female infidelity in your relationship, bring trust, communication, and mutual respect, as these elements are crucial in maintaining a healthy relationship that is equally faithful. From feelings of insecurity to emotional dissatisfaction, there are many reasons behind a woman's unfaithfulness in a relationship. While the reasons for betrayal may differ from person to person, there are some underlying factors that remain consistent and serve as motivations for infidelity. A woman who has an affair becomes more careful with her cell phone, social media accounts, and personal belongings. She will make plans to keep them private and secret. Number 1. Emotional distance. When a woman who is having an affair shows a decrease in emotional intimacy with you, she becomes less engaged in conversation and shows disinterest or withdrawal. Number 2. Changes in behavior and routine. Changes in behavior and routine can be a sign of potential infidelity in women. If a woman suddenly changes her daily routine, habits, or interests without a clear explanation, it could signal that something is not right. For example, she may go out more often, make excuses why she can't spend time with you, or take up new activities without involving you. Number 3. Lack of sexual intercourse. You will witness a noticeable decrease in sexual activity or a sudden change in the sexual behavior of the woman who is having an affair. This could indicate that her attention is being directed elsewhere. Number 4. More time outside the home. More time spent outside the home, coupled with vague or evasive explanations of his whereabouts, can be a worrying sign of potential infidelity. If your partner is frequently absent and cannot give a clear reason or is defensive when questioned about his activities, this suggests that she is engaged in behaviors or interactions that she wants to hide. Number 5. Excessive defensiveness. Excessive defensiveness, especially when questioned about his actions, his whereabouts, or changes in his behavior, can be a red flag indicating possible infidelity. If your partner becomes extremely defensive, avoids answering direct questions, or becomes irritated or angry when you raise your concerns, it indicates that she is trying to hide something. Number 6. Paying more attention to her appearance. Suddenly increased self-care, such as paying more attention to their appearance, changing their style of dress, or showing a high focus on their physical appearance, indicates a high likelihood of betrayal. When someone starts putting extra effort into their appearance for no apparent reason, it shows that they are trying to attract or impress others. This behavior could be a sign that they are investing time and energy into maintaining a desirable image for a new romantic interest. Hopefully, this information can provide positive benefits for all of you. Tell us your opinion in the comments column. Happy greetings to me, you, and all of us.